Today's focus question is handwriting important and does it truly matter? One hot topic related to literacy education is the dynamic of handwriting. The highlighted components of this documentary focus primarily on the positive aspects of teaching handwriting. Based on research, printing, cursive writing, and typing on a keyboard are all associated with specific and separate brain patterns. This photo consists of samples of handwriting by young children. Dr. James found that when children drew a letter freehand, they exhibited increased activity in 3 significant areas of the brain, which did not happen when they traced or typed the letter. As a result, children learn to read quicker when they first learn to write by hand. In other words, it's not just what they write that matters, but it's how it is written. It allows children to reflect and better understand by committing information to memory and their learning ability. 2 psychologists, Pam A. Mueller of Princeton and Daniel M. Oppenheimer of the University of California, Los Angeles, have reported in both laboratory settings and real-world classrooms, children learn better when they take notes by hand than when they just type on a keyboard. The Common Core standards have been adopted in most states, which teaches legible writing only in kindergarten and first grade. Once that is, quote, achieved, students are shifted to learn proficiency on the keyboard. It has been stated that learning cursive is an ancient skill. But by learning cursive, the brain develops functional specialization that integrates both sensations, movement control, and thinking. Cursive writing helps train the brain to integrate visual and textile information and fine motor dexterity. Fine motor skills is the coordination of small muscle movements with the synchronization of hands and fingers with the eyes. When considering one's dexterity, one may have heard the terms dysgraphia or dyspraxia. Dysgraphia is a condition where the ability to write is impaired, and dyspraxia is a common disorder affecting fine and/or gross motor coordination in both children and adults. It is important that fine motor skills are enhanced for an individual to perform tasks like grasping, moving, and even using tools like crayons, pencils, and scissors. Once a child has developed his or her fine motor skills, their hand-eye coordination improves. So how much handwriting do students need? Here are 5 brain-based reasons to teach handwriting in school. Number 1, handwriting helps kids develop reading circuitry in their brains. Brain scanning has demonstrated that handwriting in manuscript helps preschoolers learn their letters. Number 2, handwriting makes better writers and spellers. Number 3, handwriting makes both children and adults smarter. The laptops need to be closed, because when older students lack fluency in their writing, composition skills suffer, along with their self-esteem, grades, and test scores. Number 4, start out with teacher modeling. Students benefit from teacher modeling for their letter learning and writing. Number 5, teach handwriting directly and explicitly. Handwriting is a skill that is complex that involves cognitive, perceptual, and motor skills concurrently. Now let's look at a video that shows what your handwriting says about your personality. As a result, educators should invest in handwriting instruction throughout primary and elementary school. It is a major component to academic and future success.